Yeah.
That
I
was
can't believe we actually did that. I can't
yeah,
believe
dude.
we
I was
actually survived.
that cage was like smelly, dude.
It was like it was musky in
We
there.
almost got tetanus.
There are no free chicken nuggets.
Yep, no free chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Well,
I can't wait to go to the Tingle Mango shop.
I can't wait to go back to sleeping under the tree.
Oh yeah,
What?
well done guys. Me and Blair got something for you guys.
Whoa.
Yeah, I got 5 gifts.
So we were able to find gifts for the all of us.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Epic.
Eh,
I love it.
Okay, I'll be giving out the gifts.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I was hoping for nuggets.
And for myself.
Fortnite is better.
A pickle.
Oh, a bucket.
A water gun. Kinda cool though.
Oh.
Well,
Oh, bucket was a
that sucks.
I was hoping for nuggets.
This.
Yep.
Yeah,
Fortnite's better.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aw. I'm sorry guys. Those were the only presents that we could find.
It's okay. It's no big
It's
deal.
okay.
You know.
Yeah, like it's a fun.
At least you got us out of the cage. Well, I'm glad things worked out, guys.
Yeah.
You know, at least we are out of the cage,
At least.
and we're here now.
It's your life.
Thanks to the player.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Blair.
the player.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. And Blair. Me and the rest of the groovy gang got a gift for you. It's for being a hero and saving all of us. We couldn't have done it without you.